everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute bear hat. A magic circle. Insert your hook into this yarn. Make a chain. Mark this chain. This is first chain. Insert your hook into magic circle. Bring yarn, pull through. Bring yarn, pull through. Make single crochet. Bring yarn, pull through. Four, 5, 6, 7. I made 7 single crochet. With this chain I have 8 stitches. Insert your hook into this chain, marked chain. Slip a stitch. Go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1, 2 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1, 2 single crochet. 1, 2 single crochet. 1, 2 single crochet. Insert your hook into last stitch. Make 2 single crochet. A slip stitch. One chain. Go to first stitch. Make 1 single crochet. Go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Go to next stitch, make 2, 1, 2 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1, 2 single crochet. 1 single crochet. 2 single crochet. 1 single crochet in last stitch. Now I have 24 stitches in this row. Go to first chain, a slip stitch, make 1 chain. Go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, 2 single crochet, 1 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 2 1 1 1 2, and continue. Now we have 32 stitches in this row. Go to first stitch, slip stitch, make a chain, make 1 single crochet in first stitch and 1 single crochet in each stitch. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 rounds. A slip stitch, make 1 2 single crochet, yarn over, go to next stitch, take back loop on your hook. We have 2 loops in stitches. Stitch from back loops, from here like this, yarn over, go into this stitch, take back loop, yarn over, bring yarn over, pull through all of them, make 1 half double crochet in each stitch, yarn over, take back loop, bring yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, 1 half double crochet in each stitch from back loops. One half double crochet from back loop, skip last stitch, go into this chain, top of first stitch, slip stitch, make a slip knot, make 1 2 3 4 chains, skip 1 2 chain, go to this chain, make 1 single crochet, go to this chain, make 1 single crochet, make a chain, turn it, go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 2 single crochet, Go to next stitch, make 1 2 single crochet, make 1 chain, turn it, make 1 single crochet in each stitch,